Hi, my name's Evan, and today I'm going to show you how to use SafeWorkPro when you're out on the job. Okay, you would have received a URL in your welcome email, so click on that link and come through and you'll get this page here. You should have done your setup already where you set up your staff members and your swims, and what we're going to look at now is this section here on how to use SafeWorkPro when you're on the job. Okay, first up I'm going to log in. The login's down here on the footer. Put in my email and my password and I log in, and I'm going to click on risk assessments in this location, and this is where my risk assessments, I've done a couple earlier today here. Alternatively, you can access it through a browser on your phone. So I just got Chrome, a different browser open here, so you can see here how it renders down differently on size. We call that a responsive UI. And then I'm just going to head through to risk assessments, and I'm going to log in. And once I've logged in, this is what it looks like on the phone. You can see there's a couple of risk assessments that I filled out earlier. The other way to access it is using an app. Now I've got an iPhone simulator, or emulator I should say, here to show you how it works, and we've also got an app on Android devices as well, so you can access it via the browser or the apps. And the advantage of the apps is that they work in offline mode, so if you're on a job site where you don't have mobile coverage, you can still conduct your risk assessments, review your swims, all those things you need to do, and then resync it up when you get back into mobile range. So to log in, you just simply write in your business name, the email that you used, and then put in the password, and then you'll log in. When you're in the app, you can create risk assessments and manage your sites and those sorts of things. So exactly the same as you would do through the browser, and we have a consistent look and feel across those. So it's just loading up, and you can see here's the two risk assessments, the same through those other locations. So I'm just going to demonstrate through the browser here. I create a new risk assessment. I put the date today. I choose the site, so someplace. Job description, installing something worthwhile. Staff member, so I choose myself and I sign it, however you need to do that. The staff member in charge, sign that. And then the job steps. So the steps are just the steps that you're going to do for this particular task, so filling in this. So I've already written in the install switchboard here, and you can see it's giving me an autocomplete option. So I can choose install switchboard, and it fills out that information for me. Now that's super important because as a manager, and we'll look at a little bit of this in one of the other videos, you can deliver that key safety information to those workers. And now if I click on the swim here, so this is the swim associated with this step, I click on here and then I can review the PDF and have a look at all the steps and so forth I'm supposed to do. General hazards here are the same as filling in a steps, except for a step, the control, so in your hierarchy of control, the control is a known swim, okay, because you've developed your swim for this. In the general hazards, the controls are just a free text field, so you can write whatever you like into there. So you can fill in as many steps and general hazards as you need to, and then the final step is to get your staff members to sign off at the bottom, and you can get as many as your staff members to sign, and finally hitting the save button. That's it. It's easy as that to fill out a risk assessment. Now back over here in the desktop version, I can refresh the browser here, and we can see that it's been saved, so it's pushed up into the cloud and saved nicely there, and we can click on that to view that, and then here it is as a PDF all filled out, ready with your compliance, and you can email that through to your site foreman or principal contractor to make sure you comply with legislation. So nice and easy workflow for you guys there. The next thing you might want to do when you're out on the job is manage your sites. So your sites are simply the locations where you're going to be doing your work. I've got a few sites in here. So again, it's very similar to risk assessments. Just hit the green button, name the site, whatever it is, where it is on Warehouse Road, the name of the client, the site contact, those sorts of things, and fill out that information, and then those sites will then be available. So that's it. That's all that is to working with SafeWorkPro when you're out on the job. As you can see here, here's the main factory synced up on the iPhone, and here's the risk assessments, and we'll see here's the latest risk assessments that we've filled out. So it's all stored in the cloud, and you can access it across those multiple devices as you need to. Thank you.